Hello guys, welcome to Data Warriors channel. Today we are going to start with introduction of SQL, database, DBMS, RDBMS and SQL. These topics we are going to discuss. We are going to learn this. So first thing is that database. So database is the place where application can store and read the data from. Like whenever in the database what we can do, so it is nothing but one of the place or like server where we can store our data, so which we want to store, and then whenever we want as per our requirement we can read that data. So it's simple only. I will show. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the database. And then let us consider if we are filling some application form, like this is one of the PC screen front end. So there we will fill usually like our name, then I will type my name, and then I will provide my date of birth, then contact, and after filling all entire details in that application form we will click on the submit. Okay, once application form is submitted, so that detail we might be like getting saved somewhere. Okay, so that location is nothing but a database. So we are storing that data which we are filling in the here, and then after that whenever we want to read that data, so we are reading that data. So how, like if you are visiting your profile, clicking on profile icon and then seeing your like account, sorry, profile details, so that time like we are reading that data. So this way it works. So simply database is a place where application can store and read the data whenever it is required. Okay, so next thing is DBMS. DBMS stands for the database management system. Okay, so DBMS is nothing but a software which is used to store data in a databases, and in an organized way to to make it easier to create, retrieve and update, etc. So here some DBMS softwares are there, like for example MongoDB, MS SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle SQL, MariaDB, etc. These are the some DBMS softwares available in the market which we can use to store our data in the databases. And the next thing is that RDBMS. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for the Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is also one of the DBMS software which works on the relational data model. So then what is the relational data model? So relational data models means storing our data into a relational tables. Relational table means the tables where we are storing the data which are related to each other. Like if we are storing some employee data of the organization, then employee details is the one of the table. So where we are storing the employee details, department is one of the other table where we are storing the department information of those employees, and that information will be stored in form of rows and columns. Okay, in the relational database management system. Some examples are there for relational database management system softwares: MS SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle database, then IBM DB2, MS Access. These are the some RDBMS softwares which are available in the market we can use. And then what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is one of the standard programming language for dealing with the relational databases. So if we have to work with the RDBMS software, so we have to be aware of the SQL. So with help of SQL, we can work with the relational database. Using SQL, we can perform below operations on a database: inserting or storing data. So using SQL, we can insert and store data in a database, retrieving the data. So first we told like we are storing data there. So if we want to see that data which we stored, so with help of SQL we can retrieve that data or read that data from a database. Then updating the data. So with help of SQL we can update our existing data. Means if we inserted some data there and then after that we want to uh, update that existing data. So using these SQLs we can update the existing data, then deleting the data and many more operation we can perform with the SQL. So if unwanted data is there or that data is not required anymore, so we can delete the data in that case. Thank you guys. We will see in next session.